This is the Ala F75, a creamy pre-built keyboard that you don't have to mod. Since this is gasket mounted, this creates a soft and bouncy typing experience. And if you're a fan of RGB, the RGB options on this keyboard are completely endless. Depending on the colorway that you pick, the price starts at under $70. This is the white to blue colorway with the shine through keycaps, and these come with the amazing Reaper switch. This creamy keyboard has sold out so many times, and with the sound test coming up right now, I'm gonna show you why. Since they just restocked with all these different colorways, these creamy keyboards are not going to last very long, so if you see the one that you like, pick it up right away. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of the Ala F75, and I have that link down below.